So behind me, we got Mount Goshen. This is a formidable hill, and we're gonna see if an e-scooter will take an NFL player up it. And this is a big man, he ain't no joke. It's Daniel Muir. And let's see if this scooter can take him up it. Y'all ready? Let's. All right, here we go. It's a beast of a scooter. All right, Brother Daniel, go up Mount Goshen with it. Let's see it happen. You ready for this? This scooter got mad power.
It ain't working.
We need something that kick gas.
Yeah.
This don't kick gas. All right.
Kick gas, man.
Bust out the big boy. Let's quit playing around. All right, let's get it.
Kick gas.
This is a dualtron Thunder. It's got the power, but does it have the traction is the question, because this hill is a little slippery because it's been raining, got rocks on it. It's gonna be a task. Let's see if we can get it. We can take this man all the way up the hill. Sitting over there.
You gotta stay on the left side.
Will somebody operate this camera? Just. It's probably too late to get the drones on.
So dual time. I can't believe how much battery this is taking. Y'all ready?
Is it?
Oh.
Come on, brother. Your brother Mathis, he kind of tried it, huh? Yeah, he didn't do that good. Come on, Ansar! Yeah. Come on, bro. Ah! 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 Dang it! All right, Sister Soon gonna try Mount Goshen on the Nan robot. What?
Look, you almost lost it. Oh, wait a second. Oh, you had to screw up.
Ah, dang it.
Full battery, I'd have made it.
You ran out of battery?
The reason I tripped up like that is because the balance started shifting because of power change.
Right here that tried to make it up Goshen Mountain, Mount Goshen. It didn't work. What do you think, Brother Daniel? What do you think about the scooters?
Here's
Was
the
it cool?
thing. The scooter is literally a Tesla on two wheels. All right? It can make it up the hill easily. Only reason it didn't make it up the hill is because it rained like crazy the last 3-4 days. And it got city tires on it. You put some country
street
tires on it,
Yeah.
it's going up that hill easy. No problem.
We're going to fight that hill again, bro.
Hey, let's do it.
It's not over.
All right.
All right, bless you. Brother Rob Mathis, and he tried to get the scooter up Goshen Mountain. Brother Rob, what do you think about the scooters? What do you think about what happened?
Well, I do love the kick gas scooters. Interesting concept, a lot of horsepower. So my technique was off. I couldn't get up the hill. I couldn't get halfway up the hill. So
Yeah,
I think it was
did.
more technique versus the power and the ability of the scooter. So I really like it. I fully endorse it, and I look forward to buying one in the future.
And do you think we're going to make it up the hill? You think it's
so.
going to happen?
I think so. We just got to get technique.
All right, so look for part 2, y'all. Bless you. All right.